The price of a case of juice is $15. Fred has a coupon for 20 cents off each bottle in the case. The expression to find the final cost of the case is 15 minus 0.2b, where b is the number of bottles. What are the terms of the expression? Okay, so the terms of the expression we're talking about, this is the expression. Remember, terms are separated by the plus sign or minus sign. So that means our first term would be 15, and our second term would be negative 0.2b. Those are the terms because they're both separated by the plus or minus signs. What are the factors of each term? So the only one that has a factor is this one right here, because this one has two pieces. So that means the factor would be negative 2.2 and b. Do both terms have coefficients? Explain. So they're asking, we know that the coefficient is the number in front of the variable. Since this one doesn't have a variable, that means that can be a coefficient. This is a constant. That this has a variable, so this is the coefficient. So do both terms have a coefficient? No, because 15 does not have a variable. Have a variable. We're just using the definition. What are the coefficients? We only have one coefficient, which is negative 0.2. Remember, not the b, because that would be a term. And lastly, what does the expression 15 minus 0.2b mean in the given situation? So 15 minus 0.2b is the total cost of the case of juice with a discount. Well, be more exact, with a 20-cent discount. This one says Curtis is buying supplies for his school. He buys P packages. So he buys P packages of crayons at $1.49 per package. And he buys Q packages of markers at $3.49 per package. What does the expression 149p plus 349 represent? Now we have three parts that we are going to use. On the first part, it says interpret the meaning of the term 49p. And what is the coefficient 49? So there's two things that we have to explain. One, we have to explain what the 149 times the p represents. And we also have to explain just the 149 in the context of the problem. So 149p is the total cost of crayon packages. The 149 is the cost of one crayon package. And there's a difference because this P represents many packages. It could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 5. So 5 times this is the total cost of crayon packages. Since we don't have a variable, this means only one pack. So it's the cost of one crayon package. And we're going to be doing the same thing for part B, but now we're going to do with the 349Q. And we know that Q represents packages of markers. So we're going to have that 349 times P is the total cost of marker packages. And that means that the 349, just one 349 with no variable, means one. The total cost or the cost of one marker package. And I spelled package wrong over here. And for the last part, they want to know the entire expression. And we know that our entire expression is $1.49 times P plus 349Q. So they want to know what the meaning of that is. This is the total cost of crayons and marker packages.